To install an ARMA-spec compensator on a Glock rail, follow these steps. Slide mounting plate onto Glock rail. Ensure the flat side of the mounting plate is facing towards the trigger. Pull the slide back to the rear position and carefully place the compensator onto the mounting plate. Use the provided screws to secure the compensator onto the mounting plate. Ensure they are tightened snugly but not excessively. Remember to perform these steps carefully, ensuring that the compensator is securely attached and the slide operates smoothly.